Bleh, my name is Kurt Donovan. I'm here to suck your blood. Oh, well, I'm here to suck Ashley's blood. That's regardless of the point. I'm here to suck blood. Today, I'm performing at the Halloween Hoedown. It's the 5th Halloween Hoedown presented by Cherubs Talk, who's the podcast, and it's also presented by the artists Connect and more. So I'm super excited. It's my main Halloween performance of this year. So I'm super excited. I had to go all out and get the costume. I'm a vampire this year. Now, like, I'm a vampire all the time. But like, tonight I'm a fancy vampire, a fancy one, Victorian vampire. You like? How about that? You're not gonna like it when I suck your blood out of your fucking neck. Ashley.
What?
We got Ashley behind the camera. Ashley clips. And she's a vampire too. You wanna show them you?
Sure.
Oh, now she wants to show them you.
Wait.
She never wants to show the people how she's looking, but it's Halloween, so.
Boom.
Wow.
This is my costume.
Oh wow.
Hi. This lighting's probably horrible, but
I am sweating.
That was more like I don't even know.
I'm a vampire too. Maybe we should bite each other. Anyways, today I'm performing 15-minute long sets. We have a bunch of other dope artists who are performing today. Dope people putting on a show. Dope festivity, dope event, and it's here right in the studio. As you can see, our studio right here, Engine Underground Studios. It's in the same building. About to get UD going on in here, so I'm super fucking excited. I love having shows in here. Let's go down. They're having it in the dungeon, so here it's like a venue over there, and it's a venue downstairs as well. They have the venue downstairs, so let's see how things are looking. How you feeling, Ashley?
Feeling sick.
Oh yeah, Ashley's sick as hell. She was in my room sick as hell, man. But you know, I'm just I'm a super good man. So you know, I was trying to bring Ashley back to health. You know what I mean? It just if I get sick, you know, it's just a price I have to pay. But I do it for her. I do it all for her. How are you? I am. I'm a vampire too. Yo, that's good. You said what? Action is hurt. Yeah. Oh shit. That's good. So nice to meet you as well. Got to, you gotta keep myself up. I just bet the hell out of it doing this. On camera, show me how you suck that blood. The Halloween Hoedown. Yes, you are. I'm trying to see if the hoes are down. They taking the building. Haven't been here in a fucking year. I'm with the man Kurt Donovan and Ash. Let's go, we here. Big Tank returns. I don't know if y'all know about Big Tank from the past. How you doing? Big Tank! Who are you today?
I am queen of the clowns.
Tell us about the fit today. Tell us about it.
Oh, you know? Fashion Nova? Target? We don't support Target. Fuck Target.
You don't, they're racist.
Converse? My closet? Amazon? We don't support Amazon either, but I know you also buy from Amazon, so don't even come for me, bro.
Yeah, we don't support Amazon?
No, Amazon is also like really bad.
Oh, fuck. Where am I gonna shop?
Yeah, exactly. That's what like everyone buys from Amazon stuff. And then these nails, I did them myself.
Okay.
I did chrome and black. Because I'm a bad bitch. Only sometimes though.
Nah, these are some of the best costumes of tonight. I would say so myself if I do say so myself.
I like that chain.
Yo, I'm trying to take the honey packet because my shit won't stay up.
I know about that honey packet. I don't know about it, but I've heard people talk about it. I don't do that. You be off the honey packet?
I be off the honey packet. I be off the elixir. I be off the hypnotic.
You gotta turn the camera. There's a bad bitch behind you.
Oh, I already got Ash.
Bad bitch. Look at her go. Bad bitch.
They said 10, but I think probably like 10:30. Oh, you an overnight? Okay. Ain't you on a song though?
Huh?
Ain't you on a song? Okay, I see.
We better settle down. We better settle
I thought that was
down.
MJ.
Turn the fuck up. Don't be so
Alright, you was-
be in the spot. It's your girl Bodega Gab, and we are about to get started with the 5th annual Halloween Hoedown, baby. Okay? Yay! Let me get it here. Yo, I said it before in the fucking video, but bitch, like they don't do things 5 years in a row for no reason, baby. Okay? There's a reason. 5 years. There's a reason. Jared fuck got 5 years of the hoedown, and it's because of people like you guys. Say a little thank you to yourselves. No, but deadass, thank y'all all for fucking coming out here. Like, bro, it's deadass. It's me and Kayla. This year we are collabing with the Artist Connect. If y'all didn't fucking know, thank y'all. After you do your little performances, if you want the open mic, okay, get a little interview with us or the Artist Connect, okay, baby, we gonna put you on. But
All right, hey. I was having a massive headache, and I was like, took off my hat, and my headache stopped. So I realized that like it was the hat, and my fucking head was hurting so bad. But I'm doing better now. I was listening to my set right now, just trying to go over everything. I'm excited, and everybody's doing a great job. I just gotta use the bathroom, and then I'm gonna go downstairs, and let's do it. Yo, everybody make some noise one time. Make some noise. Y'all still alive right now? Y'all still alive? Okay.
yes, sir.
Everybody pull up a little closer. Pull up a little closer to the front, bro. Pull up a little closer to the front. Welcome to Halloween Hoedown 5. Make some noise for 5 Halloween Hoedowns right now. Make some fucking noise right now. Make some noise. I need some more noise than that. It's been 5 Hoedowns, man. Make some noise, man. Make some noise, man. My name is Kurt Donovan. I got some songs for you guys tonight. Yo, everybody else who just touched the stage and fucking killed it, man. I've been loving all the performances I've been seeing tonight. I'm about to get going.
Listen to them. Children of the night. What music they make.
That sounds like a fire alarm. I haven't played this place on fire yet. Wow.
Set this place on fire.
Who sparked up
Damn,
here?
son, I ain't even fucking started. I didn't even start yet.
Yo, whoever set the place on fire, I'll fuck you up when you're outside. What the fuck you say?
I don't know if it wasn't fucking like announced. Please shut that shit the fuck up. This is not a smoking party. I love y'all, but if anyone was smoking in this bitch, you need to smoke outside. Please, pretty please. I really fucking hope that wasn't one of any of us, because if not, we're gonna get a big fucking charge, guys. We're gonna get a big fucking charge.
And we're charging each of y'all $5 fucking too.
Literally, everybody.
We're gonna go ahead and play some music for you guys. Try to drown this out. If it's too much, I feel that. I understand that. We're gonna get the party going again as soon as you figure it out, okay? All right, keep the party going, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Fucking up. It was somebody smoking or something?
Was it from inside? Do you know where it was from?
I don't know. That's kind of too early for that.
I heard it was you, yo. The building's blowing up. Where were you going? I was trying to. So did we exit?
Line leader.
Sorry about that. Keep going.
Who's the line leader?
So sad, bro.
Yo, I didn't even start. Damn, nigga set this place on fire! Oh my god! This is just flames. Everybody's
Hey, yo, real talk, bro. Whoever fucking sparked up in this motherfucker interrupting my nigga Kurt shit, bro. Where's my dad? If you sparked up in this bitch, I'm slapping your throat, bro.
What are you doing for your set? What am I doing for my set? Like a bunch of new songs, like I drop a new project, and then as well as just like older songs and stuff like that. Like more so just like mostly like spooky kind of songs.
The fire department is about to
You just made it,
go to your studio, go to the studio. You heard her?
Yeah.
Go to the studio. They about to come.
Yeah. It wasn't me. All I know is it wasn't me. Hooligans smoking in the halls. Oh God, it's even louder in here. Ah.
Mic up.
I am.
Door open?
Huh?
Not even door open? No, this shit.
Nah, I say leave. I say shut it. Cause I mean, the whole kind of point is for them. The whole kind of point is to them to not associate with us.
Going in there.
True.
Alright, it's done. It's closed.
Damn, bro. I'm sad. Yo, that's crazy. Yo, the second I started. Oh my God. I want to see what's going on in the front. Let's see what's going on in the front, bro. Wow. I'm sad. I'm so sad. Bro, I literally.
Talk to you, know?
Me?
Yo.
I ain't do. This ain't my show.
Bro,
Don't talk to me.
Who set it
I
off?
foresee Pearl saying something to you because it's our people.
This is just me laughing
He's
all
been in
over
the
again,
building
bro.
that's what I'm saying. He's been in the building all night. That's why I told him to close the door earlier. He walked straight past.
Bro, all I know is that was not me, bro. That was not me.
Bro, I know it's not you.
I was on
But
stage.
you know it's about to be some bullshit.
Nah, I already know. I'm trying to see what's going on. All I know
Everybody on the
is this.
sidewalk right now.
All I know is this is not my show, bro. This is not my motherfucking show, bro. That's all I motherfucking know, bro. Yeah, I fake don't even want to be seen out in here, to be honest. Like, I don't even want them to think this is even, I'm even here. Like, because I damn sure ain't do nothing, bro. God damn, that shit loud as motherfucker, bro. Oh my God. Damn.
You in the middle of a session. In the middle of a session.
Bro.
In the middle of a session.
I introduced myself on stage. Shit started going off immediately.
I think Ray said nobody's coming.
Huh?
I think Ray said that, the firemen not coming.
Oh, they're not?
Yeah, so y'all could probably go back.
Oh, so how did they turn it off?
I don't know, but that's what he said. He said they're not coming.
She's amazing.
Oh shit.
She is the energy that I desired.
I don't even know that shit.
No, I got a call right here.
Yeah.
Oh, yo, I'm in a session. I'm stressed out right now. I need this session to pay my rent, man. I'm cooked. Kurt just fucked me up, yo. Call a fire truck.
This shit fucked me up too. Damn. My shit was live in person. Nah, people definitely had left though, I ain't gonna lie. Well, I introduced myself and then the fire alarm started going off.
I did hit a fire alarm. I thought I was going crazy.
Who the fuck was you? Wow. It be on people.
No. Chill out, bro. I didn't miss it.
Because of the fire alarm.
I literally was like, I feel like Kurt's performing and there's nobody in there because everyone's out here. I didn't realize everyone was standing.
No, it's I was performing while the fire alarm was going. I said, I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna keep going.
Wait, so you finished?
No, I did one song and then they cut it off. Back up.
Are you going to start from the beginning?
Oh, absolutely. I didn't even finish the first song.
They just fall apart. That shit makes me
Why your aura like that? Wait, her aura really
Damn.
except the horrible.
I'm so sad, bro. So sad.
It's too fire.
Too fire, bro.
I wanted him to place his place on fire. That would have been hard.
Bro, it's the fit, bro. He came too clean, bro.
I just realized his pants matched the cake.
He came too clean, bro.
I'm like, no way, his shit is fire, bro. Yo, let me
Word, bro.
Yeah, turn.
You know, Spirit Halloween.
I'm about to move everybody from before the door.
He said we should bring him inside. Or
Bring him in.
he said the fire
If the alarm
department's not
goes
coming.
off, you thinking that it's gonna go off on its own. It's not gonna go off on their own. They about to come there either way. So that's a fact. I just told Ray. He's expecting the fire alarm to go off on its own. I don't think it's gonna go off on its own. It's not gonna go. It's been going for more than 5 minutes.
Oh, okay. So it's not the actual fire.
No, there's no fire. There's no fire. It's probably somebody was vaping or some. Probably hypothesis that somebody was vaping in the hallway and it triggered the alarm.
Is the fire department going to be called?
They automatically got to come. When it
Okay,
goes
they're
off.
automatically going to come. Okay, so we have to wait for them to come.
Yeah. So in the meantime,
Everybody gotta go across the street. I got you.
All across the street?
Across the street.
So not even here in this area?
No, 'cause they all about to come through here.
Everybody, we gotta go across the street.
Gotta go across the street.
Where is
Go
across the street? Like on the other side?
Just go across the street. That's it.
Like on the other side of the street?
Yeah.
Okay.
Literally go across the street. That's it.
I'm about to be out, hop on a game. Fuck this shit, bro.
I was good, bro. I think I met you before. You an artist, right?
Me?
Yeah, I think I met you before.
Oh, yeah, I'm James.
Yeah. I met you before.
Damn.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I don't know you.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, bro. Of course I do.
So you smoke heavy weed.
Wow. Shit.
Yo. Across the street, you didn't listen? Across the street, Buster. Yo, this man think this man think cause he's special, he don't need to cross the street.
I was just waiting for everybody else.
Sir,
to
for your safety, sir. I'm gonna need you to stop arguing with me, alright? You know my Stop playing with me, bro.
I see the chain, I see it.
Stop playing with me. That's real. You see that Cuban? You see that Cuban?
I see it.
You see that Cuban?
I see. I listen to because of Cuban.
What's going on? Is this the first time it's ever gone off?
Oh, hell no. It went off last night, too. Oh, it went off. It stopped. It stopped. Everybody, it stopped. It stopped, everybody. Come back inside. The fire alarm stopped. Get the fuck back inside right now. I did not buy this fucking $80 suit for nothing.
Yo, your performance just started too, right?
It sure did, and everybody left.
Yo, Kurt.
Yo.
Why did you set this place on fire, bro?
I didn't try.
You didn't try? What?
It just happened.
Yo, I'm in shambles right now. I don't know what to do.
I need everybody to get back inside. I don't think. Yo, can. Yeah, you heard her.
Look, Kurt. Yo,
I know about it.
Good. Right now, Kurt.
Yeah. Word.
Show must go on.
Yeah. You heard it. You heard him. Yeah.
Yo, you gotta restart your set.
Oh, you.
I'll be there.
I'm way ahead of
be there.
All right, bet.
Hey, what's up, bro? Let's go. We're back on, sir. We're back
Yes,
on.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You're the first. You gotta kill it. You gotta kill it.
All right, bet. So he was right. It was gonna just turn off on its own. Bro, like, did nobody ever try to like fan this shit? Because my fire alarm went off at my house today. I fanned it a little bit. She was over with. No? That's what I do. That's just what I do. I might take the phone. I don't give a fuck if y'all coming or not, nigga.
If y'all here to say what the fuck is up, Yo, how you doing, guys?
Bitch, my wig falling off, huh? But guess what? We still live. What the fuck we doing? What the fuck we doing? Is it open mic time? Is it Kurt Donovan time? Oh, my bad. Nah, bitch, what the fuck you mean? Nah. Ozzy Osbourne is dead. My wig is falling off, but guess what? We still got the Prince of Darkness in this bitch. This the new age Prince of Darkness. No disrespect to my boy Ozzy, but Mr. Yo, if you've been in the underground, in the Jersey, in the NYC, in the tri-state area within the past 5 years, you know this man. Fuck out of here, alright, bitch. It's who a good majority of us came for. It's who we know the songs. We know the love. They just fall in line. Mr. Kurt Donovan.
Ozzy's back!
Hey. Thank you, Gab. Thank you, Kayla.
I waited all my life to see Ozzy Osbourne!
I need everybody to make some fucking noise right now. Make some fucking noise. Yeah, I'm loving the energy right now. How are we feeling? Are we good? Are we lit? Hydrated? Okay. You got the water. What everybody else hydrated on?
I'm on hydrate on liquor.
Oh, shit.
My boy feeling salty.
Okay. A little bit same. They got something going on right there. Okay, I see it. There we go, yo. Thank you to the Cherubs. Thank you to the Artists Connect. Thank you to everybody who put this shit on. Thank you for having me out here tonight. I love Halloween, so I'm enjoying myself tonight. I was about to fucking perform through that goddamn fire alarm. I didn't give a shit. I got a song for that fire alarm later.
Make it this track.
It's this track to the fire alarm.
This track to the fire
alarm. Alright. We about to get this shit going. I got some new songs for y'all. We gotta get this shit going right now. Let's go.
Listen to them. Children of the night. What music they
It's a fortunate time. I can give it all of the lies. What am I gonna find? Sure, I guess I run for the ride. Should've paid attention to signs. You're gonna leave me on the side. Yeah, I'm trying to lie like a step low. Feel alive like a mentor. Get down, baby, get low. Don't know how to put a spin for. Yeah, hands in the real talk. Real star, real shot. Get there in the real star. Some big, real talk. Make some noise, make some noise. Don't save me. Let me ride in the crowd. Don't hate me. Hate me enough right now. You take me away from the crowd. Can't take more. Thoughts are just way too loud. It will be alright. Is this worth saying all night? And you feel that way sometimes. I can bring it to me inside. What the fuck I'm doing in my life? I wanna bring it closer to the light. But I can tell which way is the right. Yeah. Don't save me. Let me ride in the car. Don't hate me. Hate me enough right now. You take me away from the crowd. Can't take more. The thoughts are just way too loud. Feel like giving up. Never really enough. I always say I'll drink that wine. That's the only way I'll get what I want. It ain't enough. I spend every day feeling mentally stuck. I just want to wait for it to love. I want again. I calm down a bit. Fuck up. Spiral out with my brain right. Yeah. Sometimes it just fell off. You should understand where I'm coming from. Don't save me. Let me ride in the crowd. Don't hate me. Hate me enough right now. Take me away from the crowd. I can't take more. The thoughts are just way too loud. Yeah, we'll make some noise right now. Make some fucking noise in the building. It's been a long time. Anxious, I can't do this. And get loud. And my head is so intrusive. I got issues. At least I can improve it. And people leave. Just like it's nothing to it. And I stop with so much bullshit. And the right side. The right time is right now. I really need you. Pick me up to ground. 'Cause I know when this is gonna go. If I go down this road, I know I can take control of where I'm gonna go, so that I feel home. It's been a long time. It's I can't do this. And get loud. And my head is so intrusive. I got issues. Yeah. And you believe. Just like it's nothing to it. Very alive. I put so much bullshit. And the right side. The right time is right now. I really need you to pick me up the crowd. Yeah. Yeah, we'll make some noise one time. There you go. This next song is called Overthrow. This is all off my new project. Well, my life Guess this is where we part. You can keep breaking my heart over and over. I'm in love, and you play with my heart. Been doing this from the start, over and over. I don't know what you're gonna do. Said I don't even know you. Now I'm breathing hard, and I'm falling over. I don't wanna be over. Even my days without you. Can we figure it out? Or is it already over? Feel you're dying now. What are we gonna do right now? This hasn't been working out. Maybe this is wrong for right now. Oh my love, guess this is where we part. You can't keep breaking my heart over and over. I'm in love, and you play with my heart. You're doing this from the start, over and over and over and over and over. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Yeah, there you go. So fucking much. Yo, this next song is about feeling like I'm wasting my fucking youth. God damn it. I strive for nothing. What's the point when it all goes wrong? You strive for something. I'm working all night long. I just wanna be something. For something that's feeling wrong. Tired of wasting my youth. Hurry before it's all gone. When is it? When I doubt, just believe. I need to sit down and breathe. It's not the time for me. But I feel it. Now where I wanna be. This can change for me. And I'ma be someday. I just cry for nothing. What's the point when it all goes wrong? You just try for something. Working all night long. I just wanna be something. For something that's feeling wrong. Turn away some my youth. Yeah. Before it's all gone. It's all gone. Yeah. There you go. All that shit's on my new project that I just dropped. This song is really rough. I can take it, I'm not enough. Where was and where I was. I've been changing, trying to better up. Always had a plan, but I never won. Chasing colors, should I better up? Hope you're killing me, it's killing everyone. Oh, got much to say. Try to stay focused and break right through. Need to do something today. Feel stagnant if I don't move. Nothing gonna change if I don't sue. Shit ain't been the same and there's something new. Nothing ever over even if I lose. What am I gonna do if I don't improve? I can take it, I'm out of love. Where I'm wise and where I was. I've been changing, trying to better up. I never was. Trying to better up. Don't killing me, it's killing everyone. Really wish you loved me. I would rather never fall in line. I'm trying really hard tonight. And now that this should be my demise. I feel like meditating and slime. It's going to really sink your life. Trying to be alright. Things going on inside, yeah. Find out what I'll leave. For you want me to be. Really wish that you love me. I wanna be like me. Find out what I'll leave. For you want me to be. Really wish that you love me.
Yo, make some noise one time. Make the fucking noise one time. Oh my god, what a smooth fucking transition.
Yeah, set this place on fire.
It just was. It just fucking was on fire.
Need to get out of here once. Every day, every night. Nothing changed, all we do is fight. So I get it short, and I shoot a line. So it over you and set this place on fire. Never run for your life, and just put it down whether you or like. I look for the door, but the smoke inside. I don't want to go, but I fell for your damn lies. But she's standing by my side. This place ain't better alive. Do the same thing every time. And come back every night. Sing it! This place on fire. You said it all, said it all. You said that it's gonna work here in the night. I need to get out of here once. Set this place on fire. I need to say it all, say it all. You said that it's gonna work here in the night. I need to get it out of here once.
Where was that song when the fire alarm was going off? Goddamn it. Oh shit. That's my last song right here, y'all. Yeah, I need help singing this. My voice hurts.
They just fall in line. That shit makes me suicidal. Saying truth to you is vital.
Why is someone else outside? They just fall in line. That shit makes me suicidal. Say yourself right to your Bible. Maybe it pays off when you die. You're falling behind. You're never leaving, falling behind. All your insecurities all in your mind. Everybody fighting voice to the time. I wanna fight. Selling out me, feel on top of the sky. Choosing not to everything that's getting behind. You don't really know how to draw your line. But it's alright. Though it's been a hard life. You know those ways right. You can feel it inside. Feel like life's passing by. You ain't gotta cry. You can do whatever you like. You just gotta try. You just fall in line. That shit makes me suicidal. Saying truth to you is vital. Why you someone else outside? They just fall in line. That shit makes me suicidal. Say yourself right to your Bible. Maybe it pays off when you die. Let me get some hands. Yeah.
Yo, thank you so much. I had to put this shit in there, I'm sorry. I love this fucking TikTok sound. Thank you so fucking much, thank you so much. My name is Kurt Donovan, thank you, Cherubs Talk, thank you, fucking Artist Connect. Everybody put this shit on, bro. Appreciate the fuck out of you guys.
You guys are awesome.
I love it all. Make some noise for everybody who fucking came through. Everybody put this shit together. Everybody put this shit. Hoedown 5, we done hold down. Did y'all hold down? We still holding down, or we gotta get the fuck out of here?
No, we still
hold it down. Hold it down.
Get it right. They dumb and dumber, y'all. Get it right.
We got it right.
It's not Scooby Doo.
It's not
Yo, make some noise for Angel Crater. Make some noise for Global Degenerates.
Rap music.
Let me get
that.
Yo, we going to Wawa after this? No, Five Guys.
Shout out Kurt. Yo, I know y'all was fucking with that Kurt.
Amazing.
But, yo. Let me stand away. But, yo, we got a lot of, like, yes, we had the main performances, and they were beautiful, and they were amazing, and y'all enjoyed it. But guess what? We have many talented individuals amongst us tonight, and tonight, they will show themselves on the stove, on the stage. On the stove. On the stove.
We cooking,
This is not the stove, I know. Take it all the way. Come back to stay. This kitchen's not the same without you. Sorry. Okay. That's the jam. I'm saying. Okay. But we got a lot of talented individuals. I'm a little fucked up individual. But guess what? We got the open mic now, baby. Let me get that list. Let me see who on this list. Let me scope out this list, bitch. Let me see if they the one.